House Apartment. Location, Bacoor City, Cavite, Philippines. February 2025. Details, up and down, 2 bedrooms, 1 bathroom, with parking garage and terrace. Yes kids, yes pets allowed, and yes parking. May sariling metro ng kuryente at tubig. Malapit sa highway, walking distance lang papuntang sakay ng bus at jeep. Malapit sa school, malapit sa market. Maganda yung bahay at maganda rin yung location. Nakatalis na ang flooring, bagong pintura. Yes, inside subdivision, good community and flat-free location. Ito po yung house apartment. As of today, vacant February 2025, 2 bedrooms and 1 bathroom sa Bacoor City, Cavite, Philippines. Hello everyone, welcome po at maraming salamat sa pagbisita dito sa ating content, dito sa ating page. Ito yung house apartment, ito, home sweet home. Yes, very spacious na bahay. Vacant with 2 bedrooms, house apartment sa Bacoor City, Cavite, Philippines. Yun lang po, maraming salamat.